Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another method related to canvas, that is clip method. Yes, this is one of the most important method that we use in order to show a specific reason or maybe a clipping reason to user. Okay, so by the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is clip method, why do we need clip method, and how we can utilize clip method in order to show a specific shape. But before we start the discussion, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we will just focus on the clip method. But prior to that, you should know what is canvas, how to draw the shapes on canvas, because once you know how to draw the shapes, then only you can understand how to clip the shape from a shape. Okay, all right. Now if we talk about the code is straightforward. Here you can see we have just one title in the header section and there is one heading in the body section. So if I show you the output, it is coming like this: HTML by Sharmit. Now we are going to draw something on this canvas. So let me firstly put one heading here, clip. Here we can write clip method in canvas. Okay, or maybe you can write clip method in HTML. Now you can simply save this, or maybe we can make it as clip method for canvas. Okay, now we have added this heading, so it would look like this. After that, what we will do here, we will add one canvas. So let's add the canvas. In canvas we will put the ID. So let me put ID as canvas1. Width would be 600 pixels. Height would be 300 pixels. Then we will put here a style just to show some border. So border would be 5 pixels. Solid black. So these are the things that we have already discussed multiple times, right? So we have just added a canvas which is looking like this. So this is one thing that we have completed. Now after this, what we will do, we will add one script here, because to connect the script with canvas we need script, right? So let me add here script. In this script we will mention firstly a few basic lines, like here I can write where c equal document dot get element by id. Here we will write canvas1. Then we will write here where ctx equal c dot get context, and then we will write here 2d. Okay, so what this 2d will do, it will enable all the tools that are two-dimensional. So it will provide us context for two-dimensional tool. Okay, now to understand the requirement, like firstly we will understand the requirement and then only we will use the clip method. So to understand the requirement, let's draw one rectangle here. So I can simply write here draw a big, this is a comment. So whenever you are using double forward slash, it will be considered as a comment in JavaScript. And also remember one thing, JavaScript is completely case sensitive, so always make sure that you are providing everything in a correct case. So here you can write draw a big rectangle that covers the canvas. Okay, that covers the canvas. So now we will draw it. So ctx.fill style would be maybe yellow or maybe red. Let's keep it red. Okay, then we will write here ctx.fill rect, and then the values we will put here 0, 0, 300, 300. Let's save it and refresh the browser. So once you refresh the browser, you can see one rectangle has been added over here that is completely covering the canvas. It is not always required to complete the canvas, but it is up to you, like how big you want to make it. In my case, I make it as 300 pixels. Okay, fine. Now once the canvas is populated with this rectangle, so let's understand the requirement. The requirement is that from this entire rectangle, I want to show only a region that comes under a particular circle. So you can say that we want to define the clipping area as a circle. So after that, whatever things comes inside a circle should be visible, and things outside the circle should not be visible. Although like it would be there only, but it would not be visible for others. Okay, so I think now requirement is clear that we have one shape, and from that shape we just want to show a particular region. It could be a rectangle, triangle, whatever you want to draw, right? So for that we will define the clipping area, and whatever the thing comes under the clipping area will be visible to user, and things outside the clipping area would not be visible to user. Clear? All right, so let's define the clipping area then. So I'll write here define the clipping area. So here I'll write define the clipping area. Now below to this we will define the clipping area, and we all know that for circle, like we use arc method, so that we will use. So firstly I'll write ctx.beginPath. In begin path we just use for telling the browser that we are going to draw something new, and then we will write here ctx.arc method, which will take the arguments 150. If you don't know what are these arguments, you can refer previous session where we learned about the circle, right? Because for now I'm just using it directly. So math.py into 2. So what this thing will do now, it will simply draw one. It will just we have just defined the circle A region. Okay, if you save it, refresh it, it doesn't show anything. Why? Because we have just defined the clipping area, but we have not clipped it, right? Now once this is the main shape which we want to use, and from which we want to clip a particular region, right? This is the area which we want to clip, but how to clip it? So to clip it, we will put another commit here, using clip method. So now I can write here using clip method, and after this we can write ctx.clip. That's it. So this is, it will not take any kind of argument or anything. You can save it and refresh it. So once you refresh the browser, you can see now only a circle is visible. So is it mean like we have drawn a new circle? No, we have not drawn any new circle. We are just showing the clipping area. That so as per the code, like we define one clipping area as a circle. So whatever thing comes under a circle is visible to user, and apart from this, like whatever things comes outside the circle is not visible. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the clip method in order to show a specific region. So this is the region, right? We define the region that we want to clip ctx. We want to clip a circular thing, so we just added it, and after that we use clip method on this shape. So I think now the requirement is clear, as well as the process is clear, like how to define the clipping area. So let's say if someone asks you in the interview the definition of clip method, so you can simply say the clip method is the HTML5 canvas API is used to restrict the rendering area to specific path or shape. Clear? Once a clipping region is defined, any drawing will only appear inside that region. Okay, as we can see, only circular region is visible, and everything outside it will be hidden. So the things outside the circular area, or maybe any area, not always mandatory that you have to define a circle, you can define any shape, will be invisible. Outside thing is invisible, inside thing is visible. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the utilize the clip method to define the clipping area. I hope this entire session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.